packaging from Dolce Vita for the Nordstrom sale, and they're little metallic flats. I'm so excited. They're exclusive to the Nordstrom sale, so I'll give a little preview. These are so cute with like the buckle detailing. I got a 7.5 because 7 was all sold out. I'm generally a size 7. I feel like Dolce Vita shoes generally run true to size. So I'm hoping these aren't going to be too big. Okay, these are adorable. I love metallic and the buckle detail is perfect. So I'm just going to put these on with this outfit. Honestly, I feel like it'll go. Okay, now that they are on, I'm really glad I got a 7.5. My feet do run a little bit wider. They're not a true wide. 7.5 fit perfectly, and there is a little bit of extra room for socks to wear these in the fall. So I would probably recommend sizing up a half size. I feel like these shoes look really cute with the outfit that I have on. I will do a little bit more styling later. And then I think I want to add this little pink bag for a full outfit. This is the Ashland Silver Distressed Leather in 7.5. Again, I recommend sizing up a half size, and this will be exclusive to the Nordstrom anniversary sale, so make sure to either add it to your wish list or add it to your cart so you can get a good discount on these.